this way tomorrow.
A lot of rain, gusty winds too. So if tomorrow's garbage day for you, you might want to think about
putting a brick on top of the
that's a good idea.
Around.
That's an excellent idea. We could get gusts anywhere from 30 to 40 miles per hour for some parts of the valley. I'm going to talk more about that here in just a second, starting off with the Port of Kalama, where you can see for the most part looking pretty dry right now there, 56 degrees. In fact, southwest Washington today did not see the bulk of the rain. Most of that arrived along the coast and also from Portland over to Camas and areas south. So right now, your conditions in the downtown Portland area, 57, and wind out of the southeast at just 8 miles per hour. Your sunrise time tomorrow, 6:50. And as we take a look at your temperatures across the board here, Mount Hood, 39 degrees. It's 39 degrees at that 5,000 foot mark. Of course, earlier today, we were watching to see how low the snow would go. Right around 7,000 feet was that freezing mark. And it looks as though during the day, of course, we're not going to see any snow falling over those mountain passes. That's going to be well above that point for the next few days. But certainly our daytime highs up and down the valley will be well below normal here as we get through the middle of the week. The Dalles right now 57, Madras 48, Newport 59. So today's high we did reach 69. Our low this morning was 56. That puts us below average for our daytime high, but that low temperature for us this morning is just a little bit above average. Looking at radar right now, noticing just some light precip falling right around the Vancouver and Portland metro area. Most of this not even making or reaching the ground, but go to the coastline and you're noticing a few more pockets of rain coming on shore right around Tillamook and then heading up and over the Coast Range. So what's in store for us? This is our next cold front, and as it arrives, it'll be bringing again more rain, and we could be talking about an inch to maybe inch and a half of rain by the time we're all said and done Wednesday night. So checking out your planner for tomorrow morning, counting on the rain. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s by about 8 o'clock. And for your afternoon, daytime highs get up to about 64. By 7 o'clock, we could have a little bit of instability behind that frontal passage, which could spell out thunderstorms for us even as late as 6 or 7 o'clock at night. So checking out our forecast for tomorrow morning, timing everything out, whether you're getting ready for work or school or anything really tomorrow morning, and you have to spend any time outside, count on the wet weather to arrive in the valley by about 5 o'clock. We're already going to be seeing it here up and down the coastline with some heavier pockets of rain, especially by 8:30. Where you see the yellow and the red indicates heavier showers arriving. Again, this is approaching the valley 8:30 in the morning, transitioning over to the foothills and then moving beyond places like Stevenson by about 10 o'clock in the morning. Still rainy weather and those really strong winds out of the south. Again, strongest winds can be expected closer to Salem and also between the hours of about 7 o'clock in the morning until about 12 noon. By the afternoon, the wind kind of settles down for you tomorrow. And then we get to 6:30. Now we're seeing these pockets of heavier showers. This could include, of course, thunderstorms through tomorrow evening. Wednesday morning, still very active weather with us. Wednesday afternoon, we'll see some bigger breaks in between the rain, but still an overall pretty wet day. Thursday morning, you're looking at a nice dry half of the day, but by Thursday afternoon, there's more rain on the way. Kind of a repeat for us on Friday. If you're spending any time in McMinnville for the Oregon International Air Show, yeah, that's going to be at McMinnville Airport, and it starts on Friday. So Friday, again, the first part of the day, you're dry, but the second half is probably going to be wet. Saturday is a pretty decent day to get out there. Saturday will be dry but cloudy. Sunday still looks like it's going to be a wet one for just about everybody. Let's take a look here at the next 24 hours. There's your, look at that, precipitable water. So that's telling us how much water vapor we have in the atmosphere, and there's a lot of it on the way the next couple of days. So rainfall totals, again, could range anywhere from about an inch to as much as nearly 2 inches, that being closer to the coastline there, you can see. And that takes us all the way through Wednesday night. Tomorrow's temperatures will be in the mid-60s for you at the coast, and inland valley temperatures looking similar in your 7-day forecast. Chance for thunderstorms still exists through Wednesday, but again, Thursday and Friday, some longer dry periods. Saturday, probably the driest day out of all of them. And then Sunday, any activities that you have planned at this point looks like you can count on rain. But of course,
Yeah.
the forecast can change quite a bit between now and then.
It's not
Let's
even
hope it does.
really
Yeah.
fall yet, is it?
Not until officially Monday.
Monday.
Yeah.
All right. Thanks, Natasha.
Sure.
Well, coming up, a major loss for the Seahawks.